is he? I hear him. He's close.
Oh, I see him. 210. I got a hit. Gotcha.
One left.
There's one left, and then...
Okay, if we blow this, we...
Where is he?
Eric, just please don't die outside the zone.
Just keep it
Yeah.
tight. Just stay together, keep it tight, and let the circle bring him to us. He's got to be out there and just laying on his belly.
I mean, he could be behind us, hidden somewhere.
Oh, I bet he's in this fucking cave over here.
Do I hear smoke?
I don't.
Yeah, someone popped a
Yes,
smoke
there's
bomb.
smoke.
So he's that way.
He's over
what
there,
an
yeah.
idiot.
Where?
Well,
Which
he's
direction
somewhere
is that
over-
way?
210.
See how there's smoke over there, so he's got to be
210.
at least on that side of the circle now. Yeah, that could have been a total diversion, but he still can only throw it so far. Crap, we got to go right to him. That ridge is in the circle. That's a sweet spot to go. I think, right, you got the right idea.
Unless he's up there waiting.
Did you check the entrance to this cave?
I did not.
I'm downwind from it, so I'm trying to see if
There's
it's
two
there.
crates here.
Where the heck?
Clear. It's clear. Check those crates out real quick. I'll watch you. Grab health if anything.
Yeah.
I wouldn't worry about scopes and stuff.
Yeah, I just grabbed health.
Alright, this is ours to lose.
This guy had no health. Where the heck is he?
I think this is it. One time I just did this and I just ran around. I killed like 3 guys. They were all laying on their bellies. I just ran around and mopped them up. We could just do that. Just go mowing, like spread out and run one direction.
Hey, I was about to say, I'm just about to start firing into bushes and shit and see if...
I think there's one more circle, or is this it? Let's let the blue circle bring him in. There he is. I see him.
Where?
God, the stupid 210. The stupid son. You have to look down. He's moving around to your cat. Yeah, he's slowly flanking around. He's trying
God
to come
damn
around.
it, he got me.
Crawl over
Coming
here. Crawl
down.
over here.
10.
Go down to Dale.
Eric, come to
Yeah.
me. Yeah.
Does he have an angle on me? Or is he
No.
up top?
No, he's up top.
Alright.
You got a circle coming, so. Oh, we're in.
Do you have anything medical?
Yeah, I have it.
Oh, we do have to move one more. Well, he's got to come to us.
Yeah, I'm going behind this tree and waiting for him to come around the, over that hilltop.
He's screwed. I can't tell if this is in the circle or not, the cave or not.
Where I am is in the circle. I believe.
He's
Just
gonna
tried to flashbang.
Switching to up and auto, because it's going to be a close one.
You guys in the circle?
Yeah.
Oh god, he's gonna frag all of us. Oh shit.
There he is, at the tree. Hit him.
Watch for the grenade.
Boom.
There we go. Nice job.
Hey,
Well, that
Eric,
was-
thank you.
My best round ever.
How many kills?